Okay, guys, if you notice, GBP USD has been consolidating around this area. This is a 15 minutes time frame. If you notice, this is the support and resistance zone. Those two black lines you see, you notice when GBP gets to the one on the top, which is 1.22234. Once it touches it, it sells. It sells down to the one below, which is the 1.21574. Just follow the black line. This one now, this is the black line I'm moving right now. Once GBP sells to this point, anywhere around this zone, it touches it and it buys back to this place, anywhere around this zone. Now this is what we call support and resistance. They are traders that only trade this pattern of trading. They only look for support and resistance zone. And the truth of the matter is, over 10, it happens, like it always happened, like 8 over 10 times. But there are some times whereby if the price gets to either this place, let me use this part as an example. This is the resistance point. When price gets to this point, many support and resistance trader might want to put a sell. Before you know it, price will shoot up above. It will continue to go above. Like once it gets here, it will just continue to break it. It will break the resistance point. So there are times whereby price used to break resistance point. So any support and resistance trader at that time would lose. So what they do is, what support and resistance trader do is, once they put, let's say for instance, immediately the price got to this support, this resistance point, they will place a sell and they will put their stop loss a little bit above. So should in case the market doesn't go in line, maybe it breaks, they will just close in loss. They will take it like that is their loss. So we'll do that also in the support area. This is the support area. So let's say for instance, market sells to this point. It sells to this point, and the support and resistance trader will put a buy here, around here, and put their stop loss a little bit below, so that should in case the market breaks that support area, let's say for instance the market gets here and it breaks it and keeps on coming down, they would have closed in a minimal loss. So this is what we call support and resistance. Now it's always good, if you want to become a support and resistance trader, it's always good you use it from a 15 minutes time frame upward. Don't use it on a 1 minute time frame or a 5 minutes time frame. Do you understand? It's cool. As you can see, this 5 minutes time frame actually shows it better. Do you understand? But I would advise you always use from 15 minutes time frame upward to spot any support and resistance zone, because the higher the time frame, the more accurate it becomes or it gets. Okay, so in my group, you guys notice we are buying GBP USD. So and whenever the price gets to this point, I send a buy signal to you guys. That's not because I'm a support and resistance trader, but it's just one of another confirmation, because as a trader you need to have more than one tactics of trading. I know some people will just choose one, which is, there are some people, they call themselves the support and resistance trader. Some people, their own is they love using moving averages. So all these things I'm talking about now are the advanced aspect of Forex trading, which is you understanding technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and knowing how to use indicators. So this is what we call a technical analysis. So you are technically analyzing the market using support and resistance. So you can make a whole lot of money using this method of trading. A whole lot. You can make a whole lot of money using this method of trading, because 8 out of 10 times the market will hit support and it will come down, or we hit resistance and come down, or hit support and go up. It does that. And if you watch, it has done it how many times now? If you follow let's see if we can use this arrow to follow. The first one is, it got here, but got here, came down here, and again, back up. So it has done it like how many times now? Let's see it has done it like 3 times. Got here, come down here, got here, now it's coming down again. So it's coming down again. It's coming down again. It has gotten to this point and now it's coming down again. So let's hope and let's watch and see if it will come down again. Do you understand? So that is just it. That is what support and resistance means. This is the simplest explanation on support and resistance. So like I said, it's better you look for it on a higher time frame. So if you want to be a support and resistance trader, make sure your stop loss is a little bit let's say for instance, if you're buying, your stop loss should be a little bit close to where you entered from, so that it should, in case the market breaks and start coming down, and you don't lose too much. But I will still advise you should also give your stop loss room. Don't put it too close, because sometimes the market might just go a little bit below the support and go back. So just give it a little bit room. Do you understand? At least it should not be more than 10-15 pips stop loss. I know of a lot of people who use 50 pips stop loss. Jeffrey Benson uses 50 pips stop loss. I think I saw it in one of his group one time like that. Do you understand? So some people use 20 pips. I think Habib used 20 pips, or it changes. They change it at as time goes on. So it depends on you. You can give your stop loss room. It just basically depends on you, and it depends on the analysis. I don't want to say because of Jeffrey Bessie uses 50 pips. I don't know the kind of analysis he uses. So maybe his mode of trading requires such amount of stop loss. But you understand, so your own can be 5 pips stop loss. Oh, I don't want to lose more than 5 pips. I don't want to lose more than 10 pips, 15 pips, 20 pips. So pips, like I explained to you, I don't think I'll be explaining pips to everyone here in this group watching this video, because you must have understood what pips means even before you watching this video. Because to be a professional trader who understands technical and fundamental analysis, you should already know the basic, which are understanding what pips is, lot size is, equity is, take profit and stop loss is. Do you understand? So that's it. Let's watch and see if this market would come down to that support zone, which is the 1.21580. I may not be able to hold on too long for us to watch this and see if it will happen. But guys, it has happened. Follow the arrow. First time it happened, second time it happened, third time it happened. This is the fourth time we are trying to see if it will happen. Now this is my Telegram group, and I noticed it when it touched it. If you check, I posted this signal. This is the signal. This is the signal. Buy GBP USD. But that was not what I saw when I sent the signal. If you check my chart here, look at it. It's not even close. It's not even close to the support zone. Do you understand? If you check this chart well, it shows that I did not use support and resistance. This was the chart I sent earlier on when I saw a buy. So as a trader, like I told you, you need to have more than one analysis. So based on one of my technical analysis, I saw a potential buy. That was why I placed a buy. You understand? I sent this buy, and if you check the comment section from the top, it started going in line with our prediction. We made so much money. I think I made 1,200 from the first signal. So I told all my students to start sharing their screenshot, and as you can see, this guy made 681. This on $1. Depending on your account, this guy sent his own and a whole lot. So I noticed it recently again. If you watch, see, I sent this signal, said I am still gliding upward. Enter and apply proper risk management. That was because I now noticed that GBP USD is actually consolidating around this zone, and it is a support and resistance zone. So when it got to this point, I'm going to use this black arrow vertical line. When it got to this point, I sent another signal again. I said, guys, enter now again. And see, immediately I said apply that, I told them to enter now again. I'm still gliding upwards. Enter again. It started buying up. Look at this chart. Shows that it started buying. I didn't even enter too early. It shows that it started buying. Then I had only one entry, which is 10 lot size. But if you check, I added another one again. I said I added another one lot size because I know it will definitely get to that resistance point. So, and I actually closed in profit of $3,462. Do you understand? So, and if you watch, follow this arrow. It touched it. Look at it. It touched it, and now it's coming down. It's coming down. Let's use the 1 minute time frame to see. See, it's coming down. So even if you are selling and you are scalping, you would have still come out with profit. So guys, this is support and resistance method of trading explained in a layman understanding. If you love this video, if I've made sense, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping videos like this for young traders, videos that would explain it to you in the language that you understand. I know I don't have the setup right now. I'm not on a large screen. That's not because I cannot afford it. No, there are a lot of people that have good setup, good forex trading setup and all that. And most times I notice it is difficult for them to teach in a layman understanding. But most people that I've taught in my own way of teaching understands what I'm saying. So guys, if you really want to get knowledge broken down in a layman understanding, I would advise you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Peace.